As a restaurant, you may be looking for additional ways to maintain safe social distancing for customers who would like to visit your business in person. One option is to leverage Square Appointments to help you create a bookable time slot for your physical location. The first step is to activate your Appointments account. So, using a desktop or laptop, head to Appointments from your online Square dashboard, or navigate to squareup.com/appointments and log in with your existing Square account credentials. Enter your business name and phone number and confirm your time zone. Enter your mobile phone to receive a link to download the Appointments app. You can also skip this step and download after completing setup. Next, you can set up your bookable shopping options. Head to the Services section from your Appointments dashboard. If you see any pre-created services, feel free to remove them by clicking the service and then deleting. Select Create a Service. Give your service a name. You could use reservation for 4 guests or table for 2. The description is optional, but you could use it to recommend guests let you know if they have any dietary restrictions or allergies. For the price type, select Fixed and enter $0. Set the duration for your preferred booking length. Turn on the Block Extra Time feature if you'd like a buffer between the end of one appointment and the beginning of the next. Make sure Bookable by Customers Online is enabled to allow your customers to use the online booking flow. And when you're all set, click Save. Next, head to Booking Site within the online booking section of your Appointments dashboard. Select Edit Business Details, confirm your location information and hours are correct, and click Save. Hours should reflect your business hours that you're open. Your booking site is ready to share out with your customers. You have a few options for sharing out. You can share the link with customers to send them directly to your booking site. If your site is powered by the Square Online Store, you can quickly add your booking option from your online Square dashboard site editor by adding Square Appointments as a menu item to your navigation bar. You can also embed a booking widget or button in your existing website, or add a booking button to your email. Just keep in mind, Appointments booking will not sync with your table map in your Square for Restaurants app. Next, just confirm your booking preferences. Head to the Settings section of your Appointments dashboard and click Calendar and Booking. Set up your booking preferences within the section labeled Online Scheduling. Decide whether you want the booking to be scheduled on a certain time, for example, half hour, or according to the service duration. Choose minimum and maximum times you can accept booking from customers, for example, a minimum of 2 hours in advance, and no further than 2 weeks away. Customize your customer notifications. In the Settings section of your online Square dashboard, click Communications. Decide whether to send your customers a confirmation request by text and/or email, along with the time frame you wish to send the communication. Square Assistant will be turned on by default, allowing your customers to confirm, cancel, or change their appointments by replying directly to the Square text message. You can also customize the messages in your email notifications with dynamically generated information to make sure it matches your use case. We also recommend downloading the Square Appointments app to manage your appointments from your mobile device or iPad, available from the App Store or Google Play Store. Keep in mind, you'll only have the option to manage your appointments through the Square Appointments app. And lastly, when your customer is done shopping, you can choose to check them out directly from the Appointments section of your dashboard or the Appointments app. Your inventory as well as your Square reports will automatically update. To learn more about Square Appointments, head to square.com/help and search keyword appointments.